In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the date JavaScript object. Date is a built-in object that stores date, time, and provides different methods. Let's get into it. Over here I have an index.html file that links to dev.delight.js. To use the JavaScript date object, we would use new date. So let's create a variable. And what you can pass in this date are the following: year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So let's pass year 220. You would pass 0 as January. Let's pass day 1 hour, a minute, 1 second, and 1 millisecond. Now let's just print it out. As you can see, it shows us Wednesday, January 2020. So one thing to remember here is that the month always starts with 0. We can also create a date without passing any kind of parameters. So if we refresh our browser when we print out day 2, you'll see today's date. Date also has methods such as toDateString, toTimeString, and let's refresh. As you can see, the date string just gets the date, and toTimeString gets the time and shows us the time zone. And speaking of different time zones, UTC is actually a time standard that all the time zones are based on, and GMT is the actual time zone of the UTC time standard. So to get the UTC time, what we can do is call another method, which is toUTCString, and we print that out. As you can see, it shows us the GMT time zone. We can also do things like get month, get full year, get time. So if we refresh this, the month would be 7. You can also get full year, 2019. You can also get time. That's a Unix timestamp. You can also create dates by passing a string. And then printing it out by using toString method. As you see, Friday, April 20th. So this is the basics of using the date object in JavaScript. I also recommend taking a look at Moment.js. It's a special library. It's just more elegant to use than the date object in JavaScript, in my opinion. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon.